Hello and welcome to this session. Today we are going to learn about a 4-to-1 multiplexer. This device is really important for choosing and sending data in systems like data compression and communication. Let us build and understand this key part and see how digital sections work.
Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to identify the tools and materials needed to construct and test 4-to-1 multiplexer circuit, and construct and test 4-to-1 multiplexer circuit using IC74LS153. Introduction to multiplexers. A multiplexer or MUX is a combinational logic circuit that channels one of several analog or digital input signals to a single output line based on the status of selector inputs. The power of a MUX lies in the control lines that decides which input line gets connected to the output at any given time. Based on the binary code applied to these selector pins, the associated data channel gets linked to the output. Looking closer at a 4x1 multiplexer, it consists of 4 data inputs labeled input 0 through input 3, 2 selector pins S0 and S1, and a single output. The status of S0 and S1 decides which input gets connected to the output at any point. We have 4 sample data inputs 010, 110, 001, and 101. Let's change the select inputs to 00. Notice the first data input 010 is directed to the output. Now we change select inputs to 10. So the second data input is transferred to the output. The multiplexer truth table clearly shows how each combination of S1 and S0 binary selectors activates a specific input route. This makes it easy to figure out the input-output status by looking at the selector bit state. Let's now look at the tools and materials to construct and test 4-to-1 multiplexer circuit using IC74LS153. We will need the following tools and equipment. Digital trainer kit 1 number, digital multimeter with probes 1 number, wire stripper 1 number, tweezer 1 number. We will also require the following materials and components. IC74LS153 and hookup wires as required. Let's now see the IC74LS153 specifically designed as a dual 4-to-1 line data selector or multiplexer. The IC74LS153 is a digital integrated circuit that belongs to the 74LS series. The 74LS153 is a dual 4-line to 1-line data selector or multiplexer. It consists of 2 individual 4-to-1 multiplexers within a single IC. Each multiplexer has 4 data input lines but only 1 output line. Let's look at the pin configuration of this IC. It comes in a 16-pin package. Pins 6, 5, 4 and 3 are the data inputs for the first multiplexer. Pins 10, 11, 12 and 13 are the data inputs for the second multiplexer. Pins 1 and 15 are the enable inputs for the first and second multiplexer respectively. These are active low inputs. Pins 14 and 2 are the select inputs for the first multiplexer and second multiplexer. Pin 8 is connected to ground (GND) and pin 16 is connected to the supply voltage (VCC). The outputs of the first and second multiplexers are pins 7 and 9 respectively. Let's now see the step-by-step procedure to construct and test a 4-to-1 multiplexer circuit using the 74LS153 integrated circuit. The first step is to gather all your components, laying them out neatly on your workspace. This includes 74LS153 IC. Since we are using a digital trainer kit, the major portions of the circuit like breadboard, power supply, switches, resistors and LED etc. are incorporated on that. Thoroughly inspect each part and verify you have the full set before beginning assembly. Once you have collected all the components, prepare the breadboard. Begin by inserting the 16-pin 74LS153 IC into the breadboard. Make sure all pins are properly aligned vertically and refer to the circuit diagram for accurate placement. Switch on the power supply to ensure plus 5-volt power supply section of digital IC trainer kit is working or not using a multimeter. Connect the power and ground of the trainer kit to the breadboard. Also take another jumper wire and connect one end of it to the plus 5-volt source and the other end with pin 16 as supply source. Connect one end of the first jumper wire to the ground rail or the ground source and the other end with pin 8. This step is essential for powering the IC and providing a common reference for the circuit. Make sure the enable pins of both the multiplexers, pin numbers 1 and 15, are in active low state. Make sure that the wires are firmly inserted into the breadboard and that the connections are not loose. Safety tip: a loose connection can lead to unstable circuit behavior. After making these connections, double-check against your circuit diagram to confirm that you have connected the pins correctly to the ground. Take 4 switches labeled as switches 1, 2, 3 and 4. Connect switch 1 to pin 6. Connect switch 2 to pin 5. Connect switch 3 to pin 4. Connect switch 4 to pin 3. Connect the selection input A with pin 14 and B with pin 2 through switches S5 and S6. The output of the first multiplexer is obtained at pin 7. Connect it to the output LED monitor. For the selection of inputs, adjust the toggle switches in the digital trainer kit to either in 5-volt or in 0-volt to represent the logic levels. Before powering up, double-check your circuit to prevent short circuits or incorrect connections. Once checked, turn on the 5-volt DC supply. You will use the switches connected to the data input pins S4 to S1 and the selection input pins S5, S6 for the first multiplexer and to test various combinations. Toggle the switches S6 and S5 to 0-0 combination. Output will be data input 0. If D0 is set to 0, the output Y should also be 0. If D0 is set to 1, the output Y should be 1. Toggle the switches S6 and S5 to the 0-1 combination. The output will be data input 1. If D1 is set to 0, the output Y should also be 0. If D1 is set to 1, the output Y should be 1. Toggle the switches S6 and S5 to the 1-0 combination. The output will be data input 2. If D2 is set to 0, the output Y should also be 0. If D2 is set to 1, the output Y should be 1. Toggle the switches S6 and S5 to the 1-1 combination. The output will be data input 3. If D3 is set to 0, the output Y should also be 0. If D3 is set to 1, the output Y should be 1.
This brings us to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to identify the tools and materials needed to construct and test 4-to-1 multiplexer circuit and construction and testing of 4-to-1 multiplexer circuit using IC 74LS153. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next session.